Greeting, guys. I'm really excited. It's almost time for our online Bible school. We're going to be starting on the 9th of March. So you've got a month or so to just get yourself enrolled. And, I'm starting this series of lectures that will run for about 5 weeks, and I'm calling it Life in the Desert. Is there life in a desert? I mean, think of a desert, think of your desert experience. And, when things go wrong in life, one of the first things we feel is that we're alone, aren't we? And I mean, we've all been through the social distancing and the lockdowns and stay at home orders, and this COVID-19 pandemic, to me, has only amplified our sense of isolation and being alone, isn't it? But in the Hebrew scriptures, the wilderness is the primary example or metaphor for challenging seasons of life. We see that in the wilderness, it is when God, I guess, speaks the loudest. And a question is there any life in the wilderness? Isaiah talks about that God found the people of Israel in the desert, and it was like grapes in the desert. But what if the challenges and the limitation of the wilderness actually, instead of us feeling isolation, actually call forth the richness of who we are? The fact that we are creative, the fact that we are able to overcome circumstances. And so, through these series of lectures, Life in the Wilderness, I'm going to try and explore how creative we can become as we overcome isolation and we experience life in the desert. So I hope you join me. And as I said, it starts on the 9th of March every Wednesday for 5 weeks at 7 o'clock in the evening. The fee is 250 Rand. Just contact me on WhatsApp. The details will follow this. And yeah, let's experience life in the wilderness. God bless.